Hi kids, it's me, Mrs. Clark again. We're going to make these cool butterflies today. You need to get the bag that has these things in it. It has coffee filters. It has clothes clips, pipe cleaners, and watercolor markers. Now the extra thing you're going to need is a spray container of water or a little bowl of water. Either one of these will do. I didn't put these in your bag, so you'll have to find some at your house. Just put little water in there. Ready? I have a tray here. It's a cookie sheet. I put this down so that I don't get my table all dirty. I'm going to take my coffee filter and I'm going to put it down. And I'm going to start with my markers and I'm going to draw some kind of design on there. Any kind of design, the more colors you have on it, the more colorful your butterfly will be. I have one started. I have the colors on it. Like I said, put as many colors on you want. You can scribble on there. You can draw shapes on there. You can draw designs on there. Whatever you like. Once you get your design all made, I would suggest if you're going to use both, if you're going to color both of your coffee filters, you're going to do them at the same time. So color both of your coffee filters, lay them on the tray. If you have a spray bottle like this, you're going to just spray it gently with your spray bottle. Kind of looks cool. If you don't have a spray bottle, no worries. Get a little bowl of water, take it, and kind of just spritz it on all over. All right. Now, you see how it's all wet and sticking to the tray. Okay, you're going to need to leave this dry 5 to 10 minutes maybe. If it's sunshiny outside, go put it outside on the porch. If it's not sunshiny outside, you might take a hair dryer and blow dry it. But you can see all the colors mixing together already. All right, so I already have one started. Two actually, and they're all dry. I'm going to take the first one that's dry, and I know that in art class you learned the fan folding technique, that you usually fold the paper that comes out of the printer and you fan yourself. Okay, so there's two ways to do it. You can fan fold. So you can fold it, flip it over, fold it, flip it over. Keep doing that until you get to the bottom. It doesn't have to be fancy, doesn't have to be exact. So now I have it like this. That doesn't look like much of a butterfly. What I need to do is I need to take my clothes clip and hold this because I need my hands to do another one. Here's the next one. Now, if I don't want to fold it, I can scrunch it with my fingers. Just scrunch it up into two sides. So one side and two sides, just like a butterfly. All right. Now, with this one, I'm going to try to carefully, I need to get my pipe cleaner ready. I'm going to carefully take this one off. I'm squishing this one on the bottom of the other one. See how I did that? Take this one, put it here, and kind of make a little flat space. All right. I'm going to take my pipe cleaner. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to twist it. So I get it up here. I'm going to twist it. If you need to put it on the table, it will look like this. Twist it 2 times, and it still doesn't look like a butterfly. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to take and put this down. We're going to take our clothes clip. We're going to take the permanent marker. Make sure you don't use this on the coffee filters. It won't work. It'll stay in that same shape. Only the watercolor markers will spread out and make a really nice tie-dye look. So I'm going to take my permanent marker and I'm going to take my close clip. It's going to look like this. All right. All right. I'm going to go from this metal piece. You still see how that is the clip part. This is the push part. I'm going to draw a line there and I'm going to color all this down here. Now, if your permanent marker wasn't brown, don't worry, you can use your watercolor marker. Color that all brown. All right. Next, we're going to put, I like to put a little smiley face on it. I'm going to put 2 eyes and a mouth on my butterfly. Just like that. All right. Now I'm going to pick this back up, make sure the antennas are sticking up. You're going to take your little smiley face butterfly body and you're going to clip it right on there. Clip it right on. And then you might need to squeeze the top a little bit to make it close. All right. Now I'm going to take these. These don't look like great antenna, so I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to take my pencil and wrap the antenna around the pencil and make them curvy. Good. All right. Still does not look like this butterfly, does it? Okay, this is the easiest part, and this is probably the most fun part of it all. You take one coffee filter and spread it apart. You take the other coffee filter, spread it apart. Carefully come to the other side. You need to make sure that your coffee filters are dry. If they're not dry and you spread them apart like this, they might rip the coffee filter and you need to get another one to do. I gave you enough coffee filters to do several of these. I also gave you enough close clips to do, I think, probably 3. I gave you some, it should be enough pipe cleaners to do these. If you don't necessarily have to have the pipe cleaners on there. You don't need to necessarily, if you have pipe cleaners, then you don't necessarily need the close clip. You could leave it off and it still looks like a really cool butterfly. Or you could leave it on. Either way. So now I have my coffee filter butterfly. If you would like to make one, or if you run out of coffee filters, maybe your parents have some in the cabinet. Make sure you ask before you take their supply of coffee filters. I hope you like this butterfly. You can go and show it all off to your neighbors by waving with your butterfly. All right. I hope you had a good time. I love you, and I'll see you on the next craft. Bye.